Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve last two word problems of exercise 1.2. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. 19th question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? In this question, Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and he receives rupees 200 each year as an increment. Now in this question we have to find out in which year his income reached rupees 7,000. So let us solve this problem. Solution. The annual salary received by Subbarao in the year 1995 onwards are: in the year 1995 he receives 5,000 rupees as salary. Next, in the year 1996 he receives 5,200. Next, in the year 1997 he receives 5,400 rupees as salary, so on up to 7,000 rupees. Here this series forms an arithmetic progression because the common difference of all these terms remains the same. Now here in this AP the first term is 5,000. A is equal to 5,000 rupees. Next, common difference is given by A2 minus A1, which is equal to second term is 5,200 minus first term is 5,000. Subtracting these two terms, we get 200 as the common difference. Next, last term 7,000 rupees. Now we have to write the formula for nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute these values in this formula. The value of an is 7,000 is equal to the value of a is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 200. Let us shift this plus 500 to the left side. It becomes minus 5,000, which is equal to n minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000, it gives 2,000 as the answer, which is equal to 200 into n, 200 n plus into minus 200 into 1, 200. Let us shift this minus 200 to the left side. It becomes plus 200. Therefore 200 n is equal to 2,000 plus 200. It is 200 n is equal to, adding these two terms we get 2,200 as the answer. This can also be written as 2200 divided by 200. Here 2020 get cancel, and 2 ones are 2 11s are. That is n is equal to 11. In the question, they are not asking us to find out the value of n, but they are asking in which year Subbarao receives 7,000 rupees as an annual income. So we have to find out in which year. So in case of years, the sequence will be 1995, 1996, 1997, so on. Now we have to calculate the value of n. In this case, here value of a is first term 1995, common difference a2 minus a1, that is 1996 minus 1995 is equal to 1, and the value of n is equal to 11. We have to find out the value of an. We have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute these values. The value of an will be unknown. So an is equal to value of an is 1995 plus value of n is 11 minus 1 into value of d is 1. That is an is equal to 1995 plus 11 minus 1 10. 10 into 1 10. So value of an is 1995 plus 10, it becomes 2005. So in the conclusion, in 2005 Subbarao receives 7,000 rupees as salary. This is the answer. Next, 20th question. Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find the value of n. In this question, Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and then her weekly savings increases by rupees 1.75. Suppose if in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, now we have to find out in which week Ramkali weekly savings become 20 rupees 75 paise. That is, we have to find out the value of n. Solution: given in the question they have given the value of a, that is first term, rupees 5 is the first term, a is equal to 5 rupees. Then common difference d is equal to 1.75. That is the common difference. 1 rupees 75 paise. Then the last term is 20 rupees 75 paise. That is AN is equal to 20.75. Now we have to find out the value of N. We have nth term formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute these values in this formula. The value of AN is 20.75. 20.75 is equal to value of A is 5. 5 plus value of N is, we have to calculate that, and the value of D is 1.75. Let us substitute, let us shift this plus 5 to the left side. It becomes minus 5. Minus 5, which is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. 20.75 minus 5. 20.75 minus 5.0. It is 15.75 is the answer. 15.75, which is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. It is 15.75 is equal to 1.75 into N. We get 1.75 N plus into minus, minus 1.75 into 1 is 1.75. Let us shift this minus 1.75 to the left side. It will become plus 1.75. Therefore 1.75 N is equal to 15.75 plus 1.75. That is 1.75 N is equal to, adding these two terms, we get 17.5 as the answer. 17.50. Therefore N is equal to 17.50 divided by 1.75. That is 1.75 ones are 1.75 tens. That is the value of N is 10. The conclusion: in the 10th week, Ramkali's savings become rupees 20.75. This is the answer.